Don't fucking move, bro. Don't do it. If you get up fucking fall, you're gonna get hurt. Don't fucking play. Don't play with us, man. You're gonna get hurt. Stop. Hey, don't point it. Don't do it. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Don't point it. Don't reach. Don't reach. I'll shoot you again. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Don't reach for it, man. Turn around and I'll get you help. Turn around and I'll get you help. Turn around and I'll get you help.
Don't reach for the weapon. Don't reach for the weapon.
Hey, get him in cuffs. Get him in cuffs.
Focus on me. Focus on me. Watch out. I got him. I got him. Keep your hands behind your back.
Get him in cuffs.
Don't move.
You put out the shots fired?
Okay,
You put out the shots fired?
I did.
All right, cool.
We're going to respond to back up. Put it out again. If they didn't hear me, put it out again. Oh, shit. Oh, George 11, shots fired. Officer needs help.
Shots fired. Officer needs help.
For George 11, we're going to be in the alleys with the nearest two.
Help. Turn around and I'll get you help. Turn around and I'll get you help.
Don't reach for the weapon. Don't reach for the weapon. I got it. I got it. Focus on him. Focus on him. Watch out. Watch out. I got him. I got him. Keep your hands behind your back.
Sorry, 97's up here stepping out.
Just responding. Don't move. I got you. Don't move.
Okay, sure.
I did. Put it out again. If they didn't hear me, put it out again. Are you hit?
Yeah, I got hit.
Where?
Dude, and I don't know, dude.
Don't move. Don't move. Let me see. Where? I don't see it.
My leg, dude.
Your leg? All right. I got it.
Let's wrap it up.
I'm going to use your belt, all right? Get an RA rolling. Get an RA rolling.